What it is, what it do, YouTube, man. It's your boy CB and the Hit Me, man. I'm back with another video. Hey, look, this is a quick little video, real quick, man. I got some decals in, you know. Got some decals in, man. I just want to try these out real quick. Brand the car, you know. Hold on. Little reflective jinx going on, you know what I'm saying? MECB, hold on. Y'all see it. I see how I'm coming. MECB official. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, man. Follow the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? We about to install these joints on the whip real quick. So we about to install these joints real quick. I ain't got no camera, man, real quick. Just a quick little video real quick. Just post this on for y'all real quick. Ain't nothing too crazy. Ain't ready to do nothing too crazy. About to put these joints on for y'all. And I'm gonna pick y'all. Y'all see how I'm coming, gang. Got it on there. Hopefully she peeled off right. You know. Oh, I say this a W in the chat, man. What y'all think? MECB, man. Make sure y'all peeling her off slow, you know. That placement was definitely good too. MECB official, man. So when y'all see the whip, y'all know. Y'all know. Y'all know. So make sure y'all follow that YouTube, man. Alright, we're gonna hit the other side. See how we gonna do this. Should I do it like this? Should I do it like this? Hey man, it's official though. Y'all see how I'm coming? Make sure y'all follow that. Time for the magnificent peel, y'all ready? I see it. Follow that. How the 300 coming. Ain't nothing too crazy. It's hot as hell out. This good steak. But if y'all can see it though. MECB, man. Hey, but look, it's your boy MECB checking out with a little quick video, man. Branded the car real quick, you know. A little something slight. Ain't nothing too crazy. Just a little decal video. I was real skeptical about putting these on some there, bro, but it is what it is at this point. Ain't no going back now, man. So about to hop in this whip real quick, smash this food up. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Man, we at 230 right now, man. Look, y'all been snapping. Y'all been snapping for this thing, man. Let me know what else y'all want in the comment section, man. Y'all see my boy, don't play with him. Y'all let me know what y'all want in the comment section, man. On the road to 300 subs, man. I can't wait. It's been a journey 2 months, you know what I'm saying? 2 months in, man, you know what I'm saying? Progress is key, man.
What you have? What's good, giraffe?
Just love it.
What is giraffe?
We'll keep going.
What's good,
It's hotter than the mug outside.
What you have?
Just chilling, though. Hey, your CB and the Hit Me, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.